Hi, sweet boy. Can you talk to me? Hi. What'd you do today? Look at Mommy. Hi. What'd you do today? Hi. Hi. What you doing? You got hiccups? Can you tell me about it? What? I don't believe you. You tell me stories? Oops. Those are hiccup stories, huh? Yeah? Can you smile? Can you smile? Can you say cheese? I see you.